Good future millionaires, we back with another banger, man. Hey, shout out to everybody that be saying that part with me, man, that jumped in the comment section. Let me know y'all really rocking with me. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, just sharing my insight with y'all and covering different projects that are out. Remember, none of this is financial advice. Do not try to come to me 5 years down the line and be like, hey man, remember when you said something token was. Look, man, never invest more than you're willing to lose. Never put yourself in a hole. Always do your own due diligence. If you do not believe in the project after you've researched the project yourself, then do not jump in it. Just because I'm covering a project does not mean that I'm investing in it. A lot of these projects are a first time review for me. It's my first time seeing them, but this is one of the projects that I'm in for 5 years plus. Y'all know me, I'm one of the long-term holders for Shiba Inu that will be representing this token 5 years down the line. So make sure y'all subscribe and don't miss out on what we got. We have our own private Facebook group here called Private Stock Market Game. It's our own investment community. We have over 4,000 members. As you can see here, we have 1,000 people in the waiting room right now. I'm about to let y'all in. All the people who've answered the questions correctly, you're not a bot, you know what I'm saying? You're not a scammer, remember, doing none of that, then I will let y'all in, but you have to come get in this line ASAP. So you can see here, this is one of the group members who said, December, I appreciate the free BNB. Genius, y'all follow on Twitter and get on the Discord and Telegram. So shout out to Genius Coin, the whole Genius Coin army. We got some big news coming up. Make sure y'all go cop that Genius Coin. But you know, come join this group, man. We got a lot of exciting things going on over there, especially on my Twitter page at DecemberDeMarco. Follow me. I'm doing free BNB giveaways. I do giveaways almost every day. You know, every week I'm doing some type of giveaway. So make sure y'all come tap in with me. So for what y'all been waiting to see. Y'all know my last videos, I'm back with the daily uploads, bringing y'all exactly with the news that y'all could use. And my last videos are 100% spot on. Every single one of my predictions have been accurate. Just come back and watch these last 3 Shiba Inu videos to get caught up with my channel and understand the level of understanding that we have to what's going on. So here I told y'all what was about to happen. We, to buy that dip, we was going to have a 30% increase. I called it exactly on the head. Then I let y'all know that we was about to have a sell-off. We had that sell-off come in. Then on this video, I told y'all we had a pump coming in. We just had almost a 10% pump come in. We down to about a 5% pump if we look at it right now. Almost 4%. It was just around 5%. But this is the same chart I had left up from when I made this this trend line here. This is called a trend line. I try to keep this simple to understand for y'all, so y'all can just know what to expect. I don't believe we're not about to get rich tomorrow, y'all. So don't take this video as it's about to go down exactly right now. But this is just to give you some understanding of what's happening so you can kind of feel a little bit more comfortable. Now, this is what's likely to happen. It doesn't mean that this is guaranteed to happen. So you see how we have a downtrend right here. We have a sell-off going. I told y'all yesterday that we would have a pump coming in. We had this pump. Look at my trend line. My trend line is exactly where the pump ended at. Exactly where the pump went to. It stopped right there on that trend, pushed back down to this level here, which is where we are right now. And tomorrow, I believe we'll have a little bit more. We'll be green again tomorrow. Let me tell you why. I'm going to break this down for y'all. Nice and simple. We have a downtrend right here. This candle is called a doge candle. The reason why, it looks like a spinning top. The body of the candle is smaller than the wicks or the shadow of the candle. This long skinny part here is called a wick or a shadow, some people call it. But this is the candle. When the body of the candle is smaller than the wicks on both sides, it's called a doge candle. When you have a doge candle at the bottom of a downtrend, that signifies that a trend reversal is likely to happen. So what I expect to happen is us to see some continued positive movement in this direction. Once we hit this trend line again, I think it'll be stopped, pushed down again, rejected off of there, and it'll continue to move down this trend line. I told y'all, I called the 7s after we went up to this level. I said I believe we'll pull down to the 7s the next day. We pulled right down to the 7s, and now y'all see where we're following this trend line. I still believe we'll move down to that 5 zone around in this area, the low 6s, the very, very low 6s. Because remember, this is the lower Bollinger Band. This is where the price becomes cheap. We're waiting to buy once we see it touch this lower Bollinger Band again, so we can know that the price is on discount. Now remember, this is some technical analysis. A lot of YouTubers are not providing this information for y'all in these videos, so it might sound crazy, it might sound new to y'all that I'm just not saying buy right away, or I'm saying wait to buy into a more favorable position, but I'm just trying to help y'all make as much money as possible. So you'll understand later on more of what I'm talking about, but just just try to follow along, and remember, this is not financial advice. You always are free to do whatever you want to do. So I'm waiting to add up some more, once we get in these levels, and I think we might touch that 5. You see how this wick right here broke down to this level again? This is where our last previous support were, right along this level. If y'all, even if y'all want to pull up this chart and look at it too, look at this level right here. That's perfectly along that last support, the lowest part we have on the chart. But look what happened when we hit that lowest part on the chart. This wick drop down all the way to the 530s. So if I can snag actually 525, so 523. So shout out to everybody reaching out to the channel, man. Appreciate y'all, man. I will be getting to y'all right after this message. So we just got okay, nice. Okay, shout out to all the communities tapping in with us. Shout out to Baby XRP as well. If y'all ain't caught no Baby XRP, go check them out. The price is very, very affordable right now. Remember, it's not financial advice, but I would definitely go check that project out. So I believe we'll come back here. The wick broke into this 525 level. If you can snatch up something for the 5s, that would be a very nice buying point. Low 6s or the 5s. Even here is still a good time to buy if you plan on holding this for 5 years plus, because no matter where you buy in right here, it'll still be up, way higher than this point in a year. Now, this is not guaranteed, but this is just, if you've been following the markets, look at every other project. Any other token last year, it's a lot higher right now than it was last year at the same exact time, so that's just how the game goes. I want y'all to make some money in this, but let's check out a couple more things of what we got going on. Man, look at Coinbase, man. This is a major promo that Coinbase is doing for Shiba Inu, man. They are fully on board. They have a post right here saying, show us your shib army, drop your shib art in the replies for a chance to be featured in our roundup next week. Here's a submission from Jeremy Booth to kick things off. This is crazy. They are getting the community involved, creating more engagement, creating more awareness, bringing new investors in, creating excitement, creating hype. This is what we need. Now, understand the way the game works. It's this crypto stocks, this market is the psychology of money. You have to understand, when people start seeing this, what do you think is going to happen? They see Coinbase making basically NFT content, digital art surrounding Shiba Inu is going to build a lot of hype. The people that were already in, that's been holding, once the price makes it beyond those points, a lot of people will start to sell off. There'll be some sell off, so it might be a little struggle to break past a certain point. But I got another thing to add why I believe we can, and why I know we will almost, but we just got a little rough period that we're gonna have to make it through, because too many people are on board the ship. So if we come over here to the Reddit, I'm sure a lot of y'all know Vitalik's donation to the Indian Relief Fund has been completely depleted. So they gave away they spent 80%, cashed out 80% of it. They gave the remaining 20% to a liquidity, basically an exchange to hold for liquidity. So y'all can see a lot of, the community. Remember, I like to talk about sentiment. I'm a Fortune 500 marketer. So a good thing to understand is how the market feels about it. So you see everybody posting their gains or posting that the chart's bullish. This creates FOMO. When this happens, this gets the word out. New money comes in. When new money comes in, old money comes off the table. So we'll still see a dip. So that's why I believe this chart, I believe we'll have a green day tomorrow, but it won't break past this support is what I believe, because the people who've been already in, who bought at a loss or who are holding at a loss, they'll look for the first chance they get to, to escape, to break out or to break even. So I believe it'll, continue to lose steam and follow along this line. Another reason why I believe we'll be in a green day tomorrow is because look at the volume. The volume picked up today. So a lot of people are excited. A lot of people spreading the news. A lot of people making posts on social media. So now tomorrow, people that heard all the good news today, they'll be ready to FOMO in. And let me tell y'all, FOMO is the beginning of the end. When it's already at FOMO levels, when people are FOMOing into a project, it's too late. The money is about to dump. It's about to come off the table. I'm trying to tell y'all how the game goes, because it's smart money and dumb money. When dumb money enters in, smart money takes it off the table. So it's only considered dumb money if you're not willing to hold your position. What happens, it becomes dumb money when they buy in, hold it, and see the position go down a few points or certain percentage, down maybe 20, 30%, 40%, whatever, even 50%, and then they sell it at a loss. That's called dumb money. That's what they're waiting for. They're waiting for to pump it up, FOMO, get people in, wait for the dumb money to come in that can't handle any loss on that can't handle looking at a loss. Because remember, it's not a real, it's just a paper loss. It's not a real loss until you sell. So the people who can't handle looking at their portfolios down, like, oh man, every day I look at SHIB, it's down. I never got my money back, or I'm not even making no money off of it. So they end up selling it. You just gave up that money. You know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to, give y'all a little psychology to the game. I know it's not all, glitz and glam and just all sparkles. Yay, we going to the moon over here. But I try to give y'all a real understanding and just be realistic with it. So we over here on ShibaSwap. You can see leash is at $865. Bone is down to $96. If we come over here on actually CoinGecko, I believe they have it listed at around $1. Okay, yeah, so they got it at around 97 cents as well. So right now, if we look at, previous all-time highs, let's check out this chart we get real quick. Let's go to all-time. So if we go here and we look at it, it says on this chart approximately $20 was the high. So if you get in right now at 96 cents, and we return to all-time high levels, which we eventually will once Shiba, starts to, really move and everything, that's a easy 20x. So that means if you put $1,000 in, you'll have 20,000 if we hit 20x. That means if you put $5,000 in, you'll have 100,000 if we hit 20x. If you put 10,000 in, you would have 200,000 once it 20x's. So I'm just trying to, tell y'all, this is not financial advice, but I'm trying to tell y'all should come check it out and see what's up. That's what I'm saying. But if you want to support the channel, if you want to support, and represent, y'all know I got everything Shiba Inu in here. Everybody that's been rocking with me, y'all know. If y'all OGs to the channel, comment OG. Pretty soon I'm coming up with some new tokenomics to the channel where, y'all, that we about to hit 20,000 subscribers. So the ones that's OGs, y'all about to move to double OG status in a minute. And the ones that came in at a certain point, y'all just gonna be regular, G's and OGs. But you might want to subscribe to the channel if you want to be at a certain level, because what I'm gonna start doing in the future is having certain giveaways and things attached to what level of how long you've been rocking with me, basically. So I'll be able to check by, your channel name, and how it shows me how long y'all been subscribed. So don't think, I can't see it. The analytics shows us all that. So make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications. Again, follow me on Twitter at DecemberDeMarco. Shout out to Coinbase for representing. Also, I got a couple other projects that I want y'all to check out, man. We got Genius Coin here. I want y'all to come follow them. Let them know how y'all heard about them in this video, and I might have something special for you. You never know until you try. Follow them at Genius Coin. Also, y'all come follow official baby XRP. Twitter had them blocked for a minute. Y'all can come follow baby XRP team as well. I'm not sure if Twitter did it to him again. I'm not sure. Yeah, but Twitter been, on baby XRP, but y'all definitely come tap in with them, man. The price is very, very, very affordable right now. Let's take a look at these charts. So that's all we got for the Shiba Inu update. Y'all can, leave the video at this point if y'all only want to know about SHIB. But for y'all that want to know some other projects that you have a potential to make a lot of money in, potentially, remember, it's not financial advice, but look how far down this is. This, if you haven't bought in yet, this is an excellent opportunity to get in. It's not financial advice. I'm just trying to let y'all know if you like making money, then you should check this out. So come check them out here. Also, baby XRP as well. Over $700,000 in lock liquidity, almost $1 million. Look at the price. Look at how much of a discount this is right now. And once we return to these levels, if it does, think about, that's an easy game. You know, remember, never invest more than you're willing to lose. Always keep it something that's, you know, that you can, you know, kind of forget about, put on the back burner where you're not sweating over it, and you should be fine, man. That's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me. We out.